just came back from my walk. Oh, by the way, today is Saturday. I think probably like what, the 19th of July. I just came back from a walk outside with my weighted vest, and I smell horrible. I smell horrible. I have to get in the shower. Oh, that sun is brutal out there, but I definitely need my vitamin D. I didn't do anything crazy today. My workout was just a low impact walk with my weighted vest. It's about a 2-3 mile walk. So nothing crazy, but it was just the sun just kind of, even though I love getting my vitamin D, my vitamins, the sun just kind of like tired me out. Look who we have over here. So she definitely needs a bath too. I plan on dyeing my roots today. I hate gray hair. Oh. I'm gonna dye my roots today. And maybe give myself a manicure. My polish all scraped off. So I probably just file my nails down and put some clear coat on them until I can get to a nail salon. Nothing crazy, you know. I kind of like this plain Jane look with like no makeup and minimal polish, minimal makeup. I kind of like that. I kind of like getting darker, even though I'm already a dark skin, brown dark skin female. I like getting tan from the sun. You know, I'm not tripping. I'm hungry too. I haven't ate all day. You know what I feel like for? I feel like for a pita and some French fries, like a nice grilled chicken pita with feta cheese and some vinaigrette wrapped in a wheat pita, and a nice club soda with lemon, and maybe some sweet potato fries. That sounds good right now. I can eat that all day. It has to be one big meal that I can just eat one meal a day. I ordered some food. Oh, I ordered St. Peter. I ordered some pita. And some fries with a lemonade. I think it's the chicken gyro. It's like a chicken gyro. That looks good. Chicken gyro and some fries and a lemonade. I'm about to dig in. I got the dye on my hair and my eyebrows. It is actually 2:30 Saturday afternoon. I have my lemonade and my gyro and my fries, and I am about to dig in. So I swaddled her for a little bit so she can get nice and dry, and then I'll let her down in 10 minutes. You okay? She's nice and calm. She feels good and swaddled. So I just swaddled her up in a little towel just for her. And she's cool, calm, and collected. No one got hurt, right? You know, I forgot to turn the camera on. Anyway, I'm on my way to go pick up my new car. I'm at the train station, about to take the bus to go and pick up my new car. I'm so excited. I guess I was so excited to turn on the camera. It's the July the 20th, Sunday is the next day. So yeah, join me on this journey while I go and pick up my car. To be honest, I forgot how peaceful Long Island is. I actually grew up in Long Island. I'm a Long Island girl. And when I come out here, I just forget how peaceful it is, how chaotic the city is, and when you come out here, it's just like peaceful. It's like I'm in another state. I've been in this city so long, it feels like I'm in another damn state. Maybe I should cross the street. Yeah, maybe I should cross the street over there. I might get a ticket for jaywalking out this motherfucker. Shit. Yeah, they don't even play out here. They will give you a ticket for jaywalking. Look how lonely the roads are. So much more space. So I have to take the bus to go to the place to pick my car up. But wouldn't you know, the bus just pulled off. As soon as I went up to the bus, it pulled off. There's probably another one that'll come in 20 minutes. That's okay, but by the time it comes, it should be time for my appointment anyway. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the bus. You know, it's so crazy, like the necessity of a car that we took, that sometimes we take for granted. And you know, sometimes it's hard maintaining a car, not only financially, but sometimes it's hard, like doing the maintenance and stuff. But honestly, haven't put my effort into maintaining my first car. I just got so overwhelmed and overstimulated with life. It's like there's no excuse. But this one, I'm definitely gonna take care of the maintenance of my car. I think it's important, it's essential, because let me tell you something, when you ain't got no car, you really feel like you on your own for real. I feel like I'm on my own for real, you know, and I'm not complaining, because you know, I don't have a man, I don't have backup, I don't have no one to you know, take me here and there. I understand that, but you realize you on your own for real. You really do, and I kind of accepted it, but when you think about it, it's a messed up feeling, but now it's like, I accept it. I take full responsibility for myself. It'd be good to have someone in my life that can help out, but you know what? It is what it is. So I just got off the train, y'all, and I'm about to go pick up my car. And guess what? I'm gonna go back to Guess where I'm about to go pick up my car from? Boom. Matter of fact, I see my car. I think I see my car. Oh my god, oh my god. I see my car. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I think I see my car. Oh my god. Oh god. She's so pretty. Oh. So this is where I'm going. This is where I'm going. I think I see her. I see her. I definitely see her. No, not here. Not here. When we get to where we going?
Ooh,
guys, she likes my car. She likes my car.
Don't mess it up, please.
I know. What?
Ooh. You got our first AK.
Yeah.
This for the car for us.
For the car. Put it back.
Ooh.
And shut the door.
You gonna let the AC on?
No.
One last video before it goes away. Alright, yo, thanks a lot, man.